Hey guys, welcome to Natural Nation. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Janae, and you're now a part of the nation, so just go ahead and click subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will never miss a video ever, because we don't do that around here. We don't miss videos. We are tuned into everything. Okay. And for my people that are not new, welcome back. As you can tell by the title of the video and from what's in my hair, we have some lovely soft locks. You guys, this super wow, this hairstyle was super easy, 100% beginner friendly, because let me tell y'all a little backstory. So I bought these locks back in like the beginning of March, like right before Corona just went crazy, right? And my work schedule was adjusting, so I'm like, I can do an easy protective style and we'll have to do my hair for like a month. I tried these, fail. Okay, tried again, fail. So now that I have done a little more research and found other methods, I'm here to share with you guys what I did so that you can, do it yourself. Learn how to do it and then do it yourself. Super easy. I promise you guys, this is not hard at all. It's so easy. I keep saying how easy it is because, like, y'all, it was literally that easy. So like before, the techniques that I was seeing was where people, take the lock, crochet it into their hair, and then they like unravel the lock and wrap their hair in it. Nah, that wasn't it for me. I mean, I'm glad it works for others, but for me it didn't work out like that. So hopefully the technique that I show you guys today will help you, because my God, it helped me and it turned the style into one of my favorites, actually, one of my favorite crochet styles so far. So yeah, everything that I am using or have used will be linked in the description box below. I used a total of 6 packs of the new Locs. I bought like a 3-pack bundle basically of spring twist hair from Amazon, and I used almost 2 of the bundles. So that's that. But like I said, everything will be linked in the description box. So I know that in my last video I did mention that I was going to do like a full product review on the what I use, Neil Curly products for my twist out. And when you're an essential worker and you're working long hours, you don't even feel like doing your hair no more. So ever since that video, honestly, my hair has been in like protective styles, like natural protective styles, whether it be like 2 braids, like 2 cornrows going back. That's about it, honestly. This has been in those 2 braids, and I just keep refreshing them or like wash my hair and do it all over because I don't have time. Like, I really just need to get up and go. So yeah, that'll come later. If you guys still want it, let me know in the comments below. If not, we can just keep carrying it on. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, guys. And let's go ahead and get right into this video. Okay guys, so as far as extending each lock, sorry. Okay, first off, I want to say I apologize. I extended every single one of these locks without even thinking to record it. So I can still show you guys even with the ones that are extended because it's the same process. So basically, like one single individual lock, the end, like the bottom of it will look like this. If it's not clear, I'm sorry. This is like the end of it, like the bottom, and then at the top, it'll have the part where the crochet needle is supposed to go. So like you'll see like a little hole. So basically what you want to do on the end, which I've already done, separate it into 2. And I can show you on another one how to do that. So you just take it, twist it, or like unravel it basically. And then you have these 2 pieces. So you'll take one lock, make sure you can find the little loop at the top. So right here, I'm gonna just put my finger through it so I can easily get it. Feed the crochet needle through the hole. My apologies, Jesus. Okay, so boom, put that one piece on there, latch it, feed it through. So now it looks something like this. So what I'm gonna do is take them, tie it It's going to bring it together. So now you're left with these two pieces on the outside. What I'm going to do next is take some Got2b glue spray. This one right here. I've seen people use super glue, but I palm roll it when I want to hide these ends, and I don't want super glue all over my fingers. So what I'll do is just take the Got2b, spray it, and then wrap it around. And it gets sticky like super quick. So once it does, you can just take it, palm roll that one side, and then you're gonna do the same thing with the other loose end. Spray it. I think I sprayed more on my thumb than anything. And then just wrap it up. You wanna wrap them in opposite directions. So if you wrap one down, the next one is gonna go up. And then once it gets sticky, palm roll it. And then they are connected. And I did that for all of them. So like I was saying, I bought 6 packs of new Locs and basically put them all together. Okay, so if you guys watched my crochet box braid video, then this method for the soft locks, like crocheting the soft locks, and is going to be very similar. So on each lock, at the top of it, there's a hole where you would feed your crochet needle in at. So what I'm going to do is take the end of like a rat tail comb, put it through the hole, and I'm going to use that to help me basically stretch it out and make it a little bigger. And doing this, it's going to help me like basically guide my lock to my hair to be crocheted in, if that makes sense. So yeah, once you are able to open up the hole on the top of the lock, you're just going to take your crochet needle and feed it under your braid. And then once you get that through, attach the like the hole that you kind of open, attach the hole to the hook, and then close the latch, pull it through. And then once you get that pulled through, that hole that you open, you're going to take the other end of the lock and then pull it through the hole. And once you get that all the way through, you're just going to basically tighten the knot that you made. So you'll end up with the crochet lock on one side, and then you have your braid on the other side. So once you get those two squared away, just take your spring twist hair or whatever hair you decide to use, kind of like stretch it and separate it. So doing this, you're going to make it basically like frizzy, and that's going to make the lock look like it's distressed or whatever. So depending on whatever kind of hair you get, whether it's spring twist hair, passion twist hair, jazz twist hair, Marley hair, whatever you do, I do recommend that you separate it a little bit, because it's going to give you the desired effect that you're going for. So as you can see, I had a small piece, and then I had the longer piece of the spring twist hair. So the small piece you're going to put up against your braid and the crochet lock, and then the longer piece is what you're going to use to wrap around. So starting at the root, you want to wrap it around and secure it there so you know it's tight. And then once you feel it's good enough, proceed to like wrap going down the crochet lock and your braid. So basically what you're doing is just like covering your braid and the crochet lock with the spring twist hair. So once you get to the end, or where you feel like the piece is getting short, just take some Got To Be Glued, or if you have another strong adhesive that you feel is going to seal and hold the end of that hair, just take it, spray it on there, and then palm roll it. I've seen other people use super glue, but that's kind of messy, especially, not even kind of messy, but that's definitely messy on your hands since you're palm rolling, and it's like really hard to get off. So I recommend using Got To Be Glued, or if you know or have anything on hand that's just as strong, go for it. So I'm gonna do another 3 locks, and I'm not gonna explain anything. I'll let you watch it so you can grasp the concept of doing it. But like I said, this method is super easy, definitely beginner friendly, and overall I would say it took me about 3.5 hours to do this. I'm not like the fastest braider or whatever you want to call it. I kind of just take my time, so it took me like 3.5 hours, which honestly isn't bad. So yeah, I'll let you guys watch, and I'll see you at the end of the video. As always, thanks for watching, and I really hope that you guys found this video useful and really helped you out, and you know, you guys can go out and try the style on your own. As I keep just emphasizing throughout this whole entire video, this style really is like super easy. It doesn't take, you know, much effort at all. I would say, like, for me, honestly, the parting is what takes like so long, but once I keep playing in my hair, but honestly, once your head is like parted and all that good stuff, like with the crocheting part, you're literally good to go. Like, it's a breeze, honestly. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you never miss a video. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and I really hope you did. But leave me any comments of future content you want to see. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't want you to fall. I just wanna let me go the ball.